In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete forms in Smartsheet. If you've ever cleaned up a project and noticed old or duplicate forms hanging around, deleting them is a quick way to reduce clutter and prevent new submissions from going to the wrong place. Before we start, a quick note. Forms live inside a specific sheet. Deleting a form removes the form and its shareable link, but it does not delete the sheet or any responses that were already submitted to it. Those rows remain safely in your sheet. First, open the sheet that the form belongs to. This is important because you can only manage forms from the sheet they're attached to. Once your sheet is open, look along the toolbar at the top of the page and click Forms. That's where all the form options live for this sheet. From the Forms menu, click Manage. When you do, a panel opens on the right side of your screen. This is your Forms Management panel. You'll see a list of every form tied to this sheet, including their names and basic details. Take a moment to identify the exact form you want to remove so you don't accidentally delete the wrong one. Next to each form's name, you'll notice a vertical three-dot icon. This is the More Options menu. Click that icon for the form you want to delete. A small menu appears, and in that menu, you'll see a Delete option. Go ahead and click Delete. Smartsheet may prompt you to confirm. This confirmation is there to help you avoid accidental changes. Read the prompt carefully to make sure you've selected the correct form. Then confirm to finalize the deletion. Once confirmed, the form is removed from the list, and any shared links for that form stop working immediately. A few quick tips as you do this. If you don't see the Forms option or the Delete command, you may not have the right permissions on the sheet. Typically, owners and admins can delete forms, while more limited roles cannot. In that case, reach out to someone who manages the sheet so they can help. If you have multiple forms to clean up, just repeat the same process. Find the form in the panel, open the three-dot menu, and choose Delete. Always double-check the form names before confirming, especially on sheets with many forms. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a form in Smartsheet while keeping all existing data in your sheet intact. Thanks for watching, and feel free to follow along again anytime you need to tidy up your forms.